Hi, I'm Weston Delaney. Today we're just out here in the rain with our 15 ewes and our new ram. His name is Impalo. Just trying to have him breed all of these. There he is. This is a donkey just guessing under a tree, watching the rain. It's what our ram's doing today. Hopefully have him out here for a couple months if he can breed them. Now we're just walking down to the yard with the other ram and our 35 ewes. It is really raining. The ground's getting very slick. First gonna get here with William Delaney. Got anything to say today, Will?
I don't know. Like, what do you want me to say?
We're just gonna check all of our sheep over.
There's Rocky in there. That's the ram's name.
You might recognize this pen from other videos. Trying to keep them out here for a month or 2 months, 6 weeks or so we can get them bred, so we can lamb in January. Here in a couple months or so, we'll let them all together.
About in 1 month, the end of the month, we'll let them together.
Here's our ram, one of our first rams we had out here, Rocky. That's gonna be the end of the video today.